Here we are in Wheaton, Illinois. It is Tuesday, the 5th of October. And we are at a very fine looking siren here to document its capabilities. We have just a few moments and this bad boy should be tested out. Right next to the old fire station, and we'll give you a quick rundown, a look at what is driving this bad boy. Power supply, meter, looks like AC and DC. Looks to be 220. With battery backup capability. Well, we go shortly, we'll be able to document for you what we got. Yes, people, that is a roach driving by. I know, it was as painful for me to look at and listen to as it is for you. Now, if we get another 30 seconds there. And watch this bad boy in action. We are just across the street, which is probably about 60 feet. Yeah, 60 feet. Let's see what we get. Two minutes and 10 seconds in. And by my watch, we are at 10 o'clock a.m. Central here. And in the background, I can begin to hear other sirens that are going off. So we can't be far behind here. Yes, another car is coming right by my foot. Come on, baby. Looks to be a little over a minute past. And yes, we are aggravated here. We can hear others in the background still. We're gonna wait it out and see if this thing comes back on. Can hear others going off right now again in the background, interestingly enough. Well, we can hear a whole bunch in the background. If you listen, you can still hear them. Looks like they're north of us, North Wheaton. And now it's just shut down. And that is about 6.5, 7 minutes after 10 Central. Yep. Crazy.